So, this morning I'm sitting there and I'm editing yesterday's vlog. You guys should be seeing that today, Sunday, about 3 o'clock, 3:30. I forget what time it is. Anyway, I realized we didn't talk about Drive Whip. We did not talk about what was the result, right? Because we've got not one, but two emails from Uber about Drive Whip cars. The first time, Drive Whip was pretty... they were pretty responsive and letting us know what was going on. The second time, they wasn't so responsive. But you know what? Monday came, turned on the app, went to work. Okay, maybe they meant Monday would be the last day. Tuesday came, whoop, turned on the app and went to work. I was like, wow, okay, that's interesting. Didn't hear nothing from Uber or nothing from Drive Whip, but you know what? I was able to work. We're working. I still have the Model Y. We're still working. Still got to make the payments. Still got to do all of that. So I don't know. I don't know what the result is. I don't know how to take it other than do what you got to do until it comes time to do what you're meant to do. And in this case, every day is, you wake up, are we good or are we not good? You don't know. You don't know what you don't know. So you don't worry about it. I know, I played around with Lyft a little bit, and even though yesterday I didn't get any requests from Lyft for the little while I had it on, I know I can get rides on Lyft. Are they going to be as frequent and as lucrative as Uber? Shit, no, not even close. But that's the market, So I just wanted to come and start this vlog off by saying, I don't know. And nobody else knows either, except Drive Whip and except Uber. That's it. It's the way it is. Okay, we live with it. Anyway, I'm up here in Del Rey. We're charging up to get our day started. It is about, it's about 12 noon. I do have I think it's 2:30 scheduled ride, little comfort ride going to PBI. I accepted it yesterday, and I said I was going to do the ride and then try to, slingshot, as Steven said, try to rematch out of PBI on a Sunday is not too bad. Sundays are the days I generally go for the airports. You guys know this. You guys have been following me for a long time on the old channel and the new channel. By the way, those are new Chargers. You see that too? It's a Mercedes Charger. Never seen these before. This is new. Mercedes now has EV Chargers. Interesting. I'm not touching them because, see, I could go into a whole thing here about the Tesla protests and the bullshit that they, the N-word they like using with us. But people forget this company here used to supply the trucks for the N-words, but they're forgiven. You know what I mean? That's another thing. We ain't going to get into it. Anyway, listen, we're going to get the car charged up. We're going to go across the street to El Car Wash, get it washed up, and then we're going to start our day. You know the goal. We hit the goal last night, 301. Can we hit 200 today? I think we can, but I'm hesitant to say I think we can because as soon as I say we can, we don't. Shit happens. Let's go. So I get asked to review a lot of products and for Amazon. In case you guys didn't know, I haven't been linking my Amazon storefront, but I get asked to review a lot of products for Tesla. And, with everything that's been going on, But I did just review the filters. So if you guys want to see this filter review, what comes in the box, I'll leave the link down below. From time to time, you guys are going to see some product links. This is stuff that I would use. Right now, I don't need to switch out the filters, but we did the review on the product. We got them. When it comes time to switch them out, these are exact dimensional fits. They slip right in. So if you're one of them people that's got, 120,000 miles, smelling something a little funky through the AC, especially in the summer. Like I noticed last year when I got this car in the summer, man, when I'd fire up that AC, it stunk. But, well, who knows? We might switch out the filters. You never know. But I'm not going to do it today. Today we're going to make money. But yeah, that you can see the link here, and you can check it out. All right, we've already cleaned out the car. I've decided to take the charge to 90% today. Maybe I can get away with just one charge, because on Sundays it's a stop and wait. It's not necessarily a seek and destroy or a hunt type of day. Sundays we pick up the ride, we drop off the ride, we wait unless we know we're in a dead ass area. So yeah, we're gonna take it to 90%. It's cheap enough today. It's 33 cents kilowatt hour. So let me tell you, a funny thing happened on the way to that $28 reservation. Like a half hour before, I get a $12 Premier ride that's going like, 2 miles. And I'm like, all right, I got enough time to do this. I'll do the ride, no big deal. And then I go pick up my reservation. So it's a trip radar. I accept the trip. I get selected. As soon as, it says, hey, navigate, you hear that sound. You know that sound, that, oh shit, they done changed the ride sound. And I'm like, oh, this ain't good, right? Rider updated drop off. I'm like, oh shit, okay. I said, I hope this guy ain't gonna, cost me my reservation trip. But then I got to thinking about it. I was like, you know what? If this is a round trip deal I picked up from Boca Exec, one of the airport hangars, if this is a round trip, that's $25 versus $28 to go all the way up to West. I was good with it. I was like, okay, if it's a double up, we'll take it. So I picked the guy up. The guy says, hey, listen, we're going to make a quick stop. I got to go to this fly fishing place and just pick up something. I'll be 5 minutes. And then I booked you to West Palm. Ding, 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 ding. Hope you don't have a problem with it. Nope. None whatsoever. Y'all realize this is the third trip. Pardon me, I just ate lunch. This is the third trip this weekend that a Premier ride got extended to at least double or better of the original ride. And that just don't happen. But it happened. And so we wound up taking them to West Palm Beach. The trip turned out to be $63.31 plus little $40 cash action. So $103.31 on that trip, but we're only going to count the app earnings. So we are now at $99.62 on 3 trips. And I said, you know what? I was hungry. I stopped at Wawa. I'm in Lantana. Stopped at Wawa and got me a little food bowl. And I said, I'm going to top off my battery. We had gotten down to 50% because it's hot today. It's, it's 85, 86 degrees outside. So the AC is running a little bit. It is what it is, y'all. We still got 100 to go on the challenge. But you know what? It's only 3:30. We should make it today. We should make 200. So one quick thing, if you're not used to, if you're new to the channel, to the Tesla Rideshare channel, I always post in red my expense for the day, $80 for the car. Now we charged up this morning, a pretty good price. That was $18. So that put us at $98 on expenses. Plus I just spent another $20 on lunch. It was $11 for lunch and then another $9 on the charge. So where are we at there? 98.088. We are at 118 on the expenses versus 99.62 on the earnings. App earnings, cash don't count. That's the way I roll. And yeah, let's go try to make some more money. We need more money, y'all. We need more money. We can always use more money. All right, so it is 19:30 for my military folks. We've hit our 200 for the day. We've got $80.84 on Lyft, $121.68 on Uber. That's on app plus the $40 cash. So we've hit our goal for the weekends. Funny thing is, everything just bogged down. So I'm going to start heading towards Fort Lauderdale, south of here. I've been up to West Palm Beach once, twice, 3 times today. Interesting enough, 3 times today. hey, I'm thankful. I'm happy we hit the goal. Try to make a few more dollars. I'll come back and wrap it up. Once I get south, when I start to head home. Watch out for the market tomorrow, you guys. I know this is not the market channel I usually talk about. That'll be Vinny Cuz channel, but squirrel. But but the market's gonna be it's gonna be what it's gonna be, man. Just save your money, hold on to your money, man. Buy more Tesla. Buy more Tesla.